my dear children. Welcome to our science class. How are you all doing? How was your exams? Did you all perform well? I hope everyone did it well. Okay, now it is time for our studies. Shall we start with a new and very interesting science topic? Yes, we are going to start our Term 2A textbook. So from that Term 2A textbook, we are going to start a very new and interesting chapter. Children, suppose if I am giving you some crispy chips or some crunchy chicken, what you will do? You will eat it very happily, isn't it? Which will help you to bite that? Oh, your strong teeth. Yes, so it is very important for us to have strong and beautiful teeth, isn't it? So in our lesson, we are going to learn something more about this teeth. That is our first lesson from Term 2A textbook. The lesson name is Teeth and Microbes. So we are going to learn something more and interesting about our teeth. Let me ask you something. It is very important to have teeth, isn't it? What will be the uses of these teeth? Can you just imagine? Yes, teeth is very important to us. How they are useful? The main three importance of teeth, they are: teeth give shape to our face. Just imagine our face without the teeth, whether it will be looking good. Oh, when you were born it was like that. But it gives beauty to our face. It gives shape to our face. So the first one is teeth give shape to our face. Second one, if you have to bite, what you need? Yes, to bite and chew the food, we need teeth. So the second function or the second use is teeth help us to bite and chew food. Now the third one is, if you have to speak properly, we need teeth, isn't it? So the third use or the third function is teeth help us to speak clearly. Now let us see different sets of teeth. Okay, we have normally two sets of teeth. When we will be having these? When a child is born, whether he or she is having teeth? No, he or she is not having teeth. By the age of 3, a child will be having nearly 20 teeth, isn't it? They will be having 20. Those teeth, they are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Milk teeth or temporary teeth. So when you were babies, when you were 3 years old, you had how many? 20 teeth. Now, when you become 6 years and old, what may happen? Yes, slowly those teeth will be falling down and going. So when those milk teeth are going, what will happen? New and bigger, larger teeth will be growing in that place. Those teeth are called as permanent teeth. Those teeth are called as permanent teeth. They are called as permanent teeth. So when a person is grown up or an adult, they usually have 32 teeth. A fully grown up adult will have 32 teeth. So where these teeth are fixed? Yes, these teeth are fixed in our gums. In our gums. So we know that two parts are there. These are called as the jaws. Jaws. So this is the upper jaw. This is the lower jaw. So this upper jaw and the lower jaw, they will be having same type of teeth. So if you look into your mirror, you will be able to identify. So you will be able to identify that there will be 16 teeth in the upper jaw for an adult and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. But you have to remember one thing. If this permanent teeth is gone, whether a new teeth will grow in that place? No, it will not grow. Now, let us see the different kinds of teeth or the different types of teeth. So, for a grown-up person, there will be mainly 4 different types of permanent teeth. You know which are they? Yes, this is a new term for you. You have to learn this. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let us see which all teeth is called as these incisors, canines, premolars and molars. First one, incisors. The first 4 teeth which are there in the front portion of each jaw, both the jaws, they are incisors. So just look into your mirror and identify the incisors in your mouth. Yes, the 4 front teeth. The 4 front teeth in each jaw. Not only upper jaw, both the jaws. They are called as incisors. Then what is their specialty? They have sharp, straight edges. Sharp, straight edges. You can see the picture. They have sharp, straight edges. And they are used for cutting and biting the food. They are used for cutting and biting the food. Since they are used for cutting and biting the food, they have one more name. What is the name? Other name for incisors? They are called as cutting teeth. They are called as cutting teeth. So which is a cutting teeth? Yes, incisors. The next kind of teeth is canines. Next kind of teeth is canines. So it is very easy to remember these canines. So each jaw will be having 2 canines. So in the upper jaw, 2 canines will be there. In the lower jaw also, 2 canines will be there. So totally 4 canines will be there when we have this permanent teeth. Now what is the use of these canines? These canines are very sharp and pointed. These canines will help to tear the food. These canines will help to tear the food. Because it is helping to tear the food, it is having one more name. Can you tell me what will be the name? Yes, it is also called as the tearing teeth. It is also called as the tearing teeth. So for these animals, that is for the flesh-eating animals, these canines will be very sharp and pointed. Why? They have to tear the flesh of the animals which they are eating. So you understood about canines? How many canines are there? 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. The next set of teeth is called as the premolars. Next set of teeth is called as the premolars. So you know how many premolars are there? Yes, there are 4 premolars in each jaw. So totally 8 premolars will be there. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the bottom. Yes, that is in the lower jaw. So what is the use of these premolars? These premolars, they are broad and flat. They are very broad and flat. So if you have to eat some nuts, if you have to crack some nuts, it is this premolars which will be helping us for cracking. So because they are helping us for cracking, they are also called as cracking teeth. They are also called as cracking teeth. So that is about the premolars. So how many premolars are there? Yes, 8 premolars are there. 4 in each jaw. So children, the next set of teeth, next kind of teeth is molars. These molars will be just next to the premolars. Do you know how many molars are there in a permanent teeth? There will be 6 molars in each jaw. So totally there will be 12. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. So the speciality of these molars are, they are little more broader and bigger than these premolars. They are little more broader and bigger than this premolars. Now what will be the use of these molars? Yes, these molars help to grind the food. These molars help to grind the food. Because they are helping to grind the food, one more name is there for these molars. What is it? It is also called as grinding teeth. It is also called as grinding teeth. Now just imagine the case of plant-eating animals. For these plant-eating animals, these premolars and molars, it will be well developed. You might have seen cows and all keeping the hay in their mouth. They will be keeping it inside their mouth and they will be continuously chewing it. Yes, with the help of these premolars and molars, they are grinding. They are chewing and grinding the food well. So you understood about the different kinds of teeth. So just recall all the things. For a grown-up adult, we saw that there will be 32 teeth. There will be 32 permanent teeth. Now can you tell me how many incisors will be there? Yes, there will be 8 incisors. How? Yes, 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Then if we are taking the case of canines, how many canines will be there? Yes, 4 canines will be there. 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw, just next to the incisors. Very good. Now the next one we have the premolars. How many premolars are there? Yes, for the permanent teeth, for a grown-up adult, out of the 32, 8 premolars are there. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Just next to the canines, we will have this premolars. Then we have the molars. How many molars are there? 12. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. So is it clear? Now we learn incisors. They are also called as cutting teeth. Canines. They are also called as tearing teeth. Premolars. What is the other name for this premolars? They are also called as cracking teeth. Molars. They are also called as grinding teeth. So clear about the teeth. So children, now today's class we saw what is the use of a teeth. Then we saw about the different kinds of teeth. We saw about the milk teeth or the temporary teeth. Then we saw about the permanent teeth. After that, we saw the different kinds of teeth. 4 different kinds. So is it clear to everyone? So I have an activity for you. What do you have to do? You have to go, stand in front of the mirror, open your mouth wide, and you have to identify how many incisors, how many canines, how many premolars and how many molars do you have. And in our textbook, page number 79, we have a column to write these things. So you have to fill this column. Look into your mirror and you have to fill it. And you have to tell me in the next class. Okay children, we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.